West 48 is a modern conference center in West Des Moines, Iowa. This high-tech, laid-back space is ideal for hosting presentations, workshops, lunches, retreats, happy hours, and more. The main space at West 48 features a 30-foot stage, two 11-foot screens, and seating for up to 120 people. Make the space your own with stage lighting and display screens that are customizable to match your brand colors and logos. We get tech, and we provide audio and video equipment that works right every time. Multiple mic options and stage monitors are all connected to a simple, user-friendly AV system to help you deliver a seamless presentation at your event. In addition to the main space, West 48 has multiple breakout areas. Two conference rooms seat groups of 10, and our larger conference room seats up to 20. Guests can also gather in the entry area or gaming space. When you host an event at West 48, you'll have full access to the kitchen area. Our event coordinators can assist you with catering arrangements, or you're welcome to bring in your own food and drinks at no additional cost. West 48 is a unique, modern space that offers a chance to break away from old clubhouses and hotel banquet halls. It's a place to hang out, learn, connect, and innovate. Interested in scheduling your event? Contact us today, and we'll be happy to help.